Once a human rights and democracy campaigner, Myanmar's leader arrived at the International Court of Justice accused of being complicit in genocide. The case against Aung San Suu Kyi's government was brought by the Gambia on behalf of the Organisation of Islamic Cooperation. On the opening day, it was alleged widespread abuses were carried out by Myanmar security forces against Rohingya communities, which they say amount to genocide.
Every day of inaction means that more people are being killed, more women are being ravaged, and more children are being burnt alive. For what crime? Only because they were born different. Born of a different race and to a different religion from those who killed and raped them. And for this, honorable judges, they have been made to pay the ultimate price, genocide.
As lawyer after lawyer laid out the Gambia's case, Suu Kyi watched and listened in the courtroom. One could only imagine what was going through her mind as repeated allegations were made of rape, torture and murder of Rohingya by soldiers.
It was very important to see her have to sit inches away from people who were describing in really excruciating and painful detail all the horrible crimes of the Burmese military that happened on her watch.
Myanmar says the raids on villages in Rakhine State were legitimate counter-terrorism operations. The Gambians say Myanmar was, and still is, trying to wipe out an entire ethnic group. In the short term, the court is being asked to order Myanmar to take steps to protect the Rohingya from further genocidal acts. The opening of this trial was ironically held on International Human Rights Day. Day 2 will see Myanmar begin its defence, led by Aung San Suu Kyi herself. It'll be a remarkable sight, a Nobel Peace Prize winner detained for years by the military, now defending them and herself against charges of genocide. The case before the ICJ is not a criminal trial, meaning charges won't be brought against individuals. But given what she once stood for, Aung San Suu Kyi is effectively on trial along with the military and government. As she left, she was jeered by protesters who came to see the Rohingya finally have their day in the world's highest court. Wayne Hay, Al Jazeera, The Hague.